Back to stuff about tutorials. Today I will be showing you how to change the font size of a plot title in Python. Why would you want to know how to do this? Well, maybe you would like your plot title to have a larger font size than the default font that is given in a matplotlib plot. So I'll be showing you how to change the font size of a plot title in Python today. Check out the video description as I will try and leave written instructions there. So let's get started. So obviously we need to just make our imports. So I'm just going to import, I'm just going to make my imports. Okay, and now that I've done my imports, I've imported pyplot from matplotlib as PLT. That will allow us to make our plots in matplotlib. Now I'm just going to create a simple scatter plot using these two data points or data lists. And now I'm going to give my plot a title. And let's show this plot. So if I run this, there we go, I have a plot there that says scatter plot. So now to be able to change the font size of the plot title inside this plt.title line, you're going to, after your label, you're going to put a comma and you're going to say font size. And then you're going to put what the font size is that you want. So let's go with 40 and let me run this. Okay, that gives me a font size of 40, which is quite large. Let's downsize a bit. Let's go to 20. Okay, so that obviously, so that also does an increase. As you can see, it increases just my title to a larger font, and you can play around with that obviously to do whatever font size you like. And yeah, that's basically it. If you wanted to know how to change the font size of a plot title in Python, this is the easiest way I know how. And if you know of another way, then leave a comment below and make sure to subscribe for more videos.